Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about hoisting in a JavaScript. So hoisting is a JavaScript behavior commonly known for making variables and functions available for use before the variable is assigned a value or the function is defined. In fact, it puts a variable function and a class declaration on top of their scope before the execution. And actually, JavaScript does not move or add code to host declaration. These declarations are put into memory during the compile phase of an interpreter, making them available before the code is executed. So, in this tutorial, we will learn about hoisting and how it affects variable functions and classes. So, first of all, we will see the hosting variable. The one of the key aspect of hosting is that the declaration is put into memory, not a value. Let's see one example. So uh, let me do a console so log for a variable which is not defined, like channel name. So uh, now currently it is saying the channel name is not defined, but let me declare this variable using var channel name. Okay, and assign the value like program. Now yeah, so we will see that the channel name variable is defined, but it doesn't assign the value before the execution. So this channel name variable was created at compile time, means before the execution. Now again we console log the channel name. It should print yes. So in this case the channel name can found with value. Now let's see with a hosting with a let and const keyword. In JavaScript we often use let and const keyword, which introduced in ES6. Uh, Variable defined with let and const are hosted. However, they are not initialized with undefined or any value. Therefore, if they are used before initialize, we will get a reference error. Let's see how it works with a let. So suppose we will take a same example. Previously, I used where to define the variable. Now I will use a let to define define a variable. Channel name let. Okay, and I will assign this program value, and let's uh, add let. Okay, now I will need to let's see what happened. So we can see that on first line we are getting the error like the channel name let is not defined. The unlike using where we get a undefined before value was assigned, but in a let we are getting a reference error because let behaves differently as where. So using let, the variable is hosted once the compiler is once the program is compiled, but when it executes, it doesn't find any value. Yeah, once it assigned a value, we can log a value with console log. Let's see that. Yeah. So so we can get a value. Now we will see with a const keyword. The const keyword was added to introduce immutable values in JavaScript, the values which cannot change after it was initialized. As such, when using const, we must declare and assign a value to the variable. If we do not, we will get a syntax error. Suppose let's console not log a const variable, the channel name const. Okay, I will be going to declare this variable after this line. Sorry, okay, using const, and I will declare. I will send a value program. Okay, now I will execute this. So it says that cannot access the channel name const before initialize. So for the const, we we need to assign a value to access it. Now let me take this example and let me console log after the uh, const is assigned. So now it is saying it is already been declared. So let me change this variable name to const1, and yeah, so so by this we can print a const. So so by using const, the const variable also hoisted on the compilation, and we can access this variable with, but we can't the value is initialized with not undefined, unlike where. So the let and a const is working differently, unlike where keyword. So where is initialized with default value of undefined. Now we will see the hosting in functions. So functions declarations are hosted in JavaScript. A function declaration begins with a keyword function followed by its name and argument in bracket and then its body. Let's consider the example. So for this example, let me create one function, JavaScript function, to like sum value A and value B. I will body here turn A plus B. Okay, this is a simple function which I have created. Now I will use this function before it declares. So um, suppose 10 and 20, I will pass these two arguments and I will store this value in a variable. Okay, and let me do a console log here and print a value. Okay, so by using this, the function is declared after it's used. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so for function it hosted with this the function name and its arguments, and when we so this function is hosted at a compile time, and when we use at a runtime, it get its definition and its variable its parameters, so we can execute before it declares. So friends, that's it for today's tutorial. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and keep watching my tutorials. Thank you.